project that I'm doing here, revitalization of culture, and then I ask the ancestors and the group of deities to protect us from harm.
Daig pa ako nilagay. Kaya na umakit ng ganun.
Dalawang hanging bridge. Gusto ko sanang maranasan itong tumawid. Ayan our way. Anybody? Something the life of the animals and the rights, so they will live in us, and may we be protected. May we go home to where we come from safely. Sapatos ko, iwanan ko na lang dito. Okay. I'll be back for you. You guys here. So, we're going to follow the road. Hayaan na ninyo ang mga bagahe ninyo. Kung mahirapan siya, round it. That's what I mean. You need to have container for laughter. So dito, we are here to what is it? De-traumatize or de-stress. There you go. You don't need to be stressed. Also, it's just telling us to do something different. Yes. Follow the road. Kumpon sa iyo ko nat at ke ang matungulan sa iyo ang aamod pumisinat ne nob yung langahon si hinamar itong grapuy amapotsan mi nangatan mi to tayong yunga-yungan siya mi mun pangad ami nun hituan mi kalaungan mi amid har ali sudah mahape-hape ite amapotsan si nangatan mi to mga tsawatan mi anton maan yanis siya.
Where are we going? To the heart.
Invite the nature spirit being to partake with the food because they were here before us. They were here before these people came here. So it's good to acknowledge them. So it's good to always ask permission before you enter a place. May Ken, kinuha si Mang Buhaya.
Alin po ang inyo rito? Hanggang saan?
Hanggang doon sa may tapat ng doon sa garden. Hanggang doon.
So na-fertilize na yung mga ito and they apply insecticides. So we talk about it sa kalsada on how our ancestors never used those fertilizers and insecticide. But the harvest is way more than what they are harvesting today. And of course, all the rituals involved, there's no side effect, bad side effect, I mean. I am telling them in 10 years they will have a hard time harvesting rice here. Joinery, intricate joinery. The Japanese joinery, for example, they think that it is the most complicated and intricate joinery. I tend to disagree. Ang uniqueness ng joinery namin, the mortise is tapered. Yan ang difference sa other joineries. European, Japanese, straight ang butas. Dito it's tapered. Mas mahirap i-fit yan. But that's actually where the power is. Kung may typhoon, kung nakapako, once it is pulled, the nail is pulled a little bit, hindi na babalik yan. Masisira. But this one, it will move up a little bit and it will snag back. Kaya kaya nito ang earthquake and typhoon. So this part here is the most important joinery of all. Tignan niyo itong cylinder na nakalagay dito. If you ask one of the people here, yung younger na hindi nila alam ang origin, they will say it's a rat shield para hindi daw makaakyat ang mouse. They don't know the other meaning. This actually represents the female. Male ito. And the circle, it's very universal. From a circle, you can create all other sacred geometries like square, triangle, infinity symbol. So, yan ang na-represent nito. Although I am trying to revitalize our culture, I like to focus what I'm doing with that universal oneness to create unity. So recognize our individual differences, cultural differences, but focus on the commonality, the oneness. And this circle that symbolize our oneness. Have a child draw. They will just make up things. Who own that? Nobody's culture. It's from the imagination of the child. But somehow as we are separated physically and we created tribes, parang we put up walls, separation. Yan ang dapat na alisin natin, yung walls na ginawa natin. So yay! Thank you for being here. This is my cousin here, Pukway. We were looking at one hut that is a prospect that I will buy. We were along the road and I felt I was guided. So I looked at this and I said, I know that's a traditional hut. They just changed the roof. And as if it was calling for me. It was around 1 o'clock. He was a little tired. I was too, but I still have the energy. I said, we need to go there. Sabi niya, sige. We came here and the owner, Atam, was here. So I did not go direct straight. Na gusto ko bilhin ito.
Nagkachamba lang.
I was talking to him. We were talking about the rice field. Just to give you a small history of how I connected with this. And sabi niya, I need to make a concrete where to dry the rice that I will harvest. I said, oh, I have money for you to buy concrete. But I need this too. I need this hut. So if you sell this hut, you can use the money to make a concrete house. And where you can dry your palay. It did not take him long, and he said yes. So, this guy here, we are meant to have that exchange. Later on, I explain why I am interested with this traditional Ifugao design, and he understands. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon. I was also touched when we talk about how we are going to dismantle and transport it, and he said we will use the badang or dangah. That's the Ifugao practice of just helping your neighbor without monetary labor. So I was more, touched to hear that they are still practicing the bayanihan in Tagalog, dangah. So, thank you. I managed to get the truck here. I see an orange.
I managed to get it in.
So this is relatively new. Newer than I thought. I know by the design.
But still original.
The groove that I showed you in front, there should be another groove on this beam for the side wall, but it's not there. It's relatively new.
May reason.
Markahan ng siya. Oh, temen. Markahan nyo eh. Uray siya te. Because so ito no, they are marking, so when I put it back, it will not be interchanged.
Okay. As
If it's interchanged, the fitting may not be
There's a
right.
difference.
Ako naman.
Look at this, kaibigan. This is organic fertilizer.
Yes.
Tinatapon nila, nilalagay yung commercial fertilizer. These are decayed rice stock
Yeah.
that are traditionally being used for fertilizer.
This is the best for mulching and
They are wasting fertilizer in place of commercial. It's sad.
Ayun, number 14.
Antay pang medya. Lakay ang
Actually, jamit pa hatag to
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna take this and maybe come back for the other post.
Yay.
Isisulong mo pa lang saan ka?
Foundation, yung apat.
Where's
So
the
I
house?
did not explain to you about the significance of the four posts. 4 elements of life, 4 cardinal directions, apat. This sacred number, even 3. Yan, hindi nakatayo kung dalawa lang. But if there's a third leg, pwedeng makatayo. But the 4 posts actually, yan ang nirepresents nila. The 4 cardinal directions and the 4 elements of life. Air, water, earth, and fire. Very universal. And it's elemental too. Practice that. Oh, nandyan na lahat. Now I'm creating awareness. Oh, we can get money from this. Dirty wood. Pagbalik natin next time, they will be asking for more of that pepper thing. So, simple life ang mga ancestors natin, but they know the basic way to survive. They connect with these elements of life. It's not our fault because science came and they think they know more. They see all the earth resources as something to use, which is okay, but not to overuse or overexploit. You have to think about future generation. So I always think whenever I do something that I think is different, I think of the sustainability. Pwede ba kayang mamana ng 10th generation? And if I think that it will not last that long, forget that plan.
Kasi lansan ni si Katana.